Welcome to the ProKitchen Showroom 3D Viewer tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to take a few minutes and discuss how you as the designer can create a kitchen in ProKitchen. You can then take that kitchen design, save it as a showroom file, then you can send the showroom file along with a copy of the showroom software, either Showroom Standard or Showroom Light, and you can send that to your customer. The customer can then open Showroom in the comfort of their own home on their own computer. They can view the 3Ds that you've created for them. They can view your kitchen. They can spin it around. They have all the abilities that you have in the 3D viewer in ProKitchen, in Showroom Standard. In Showroom Light, all they get to do is spin it around, and we'll take a look at the difference between the two of them here in a minute. But to get started, let's take a design that we've created, and we'll go grab one here from our file. Okay, we've got our design up here, just a quick little design that I whipped out. And to create this as a showroom file, we want to go to File, Export Showroom, and a little screen will pop up here for us to save it. Okay, there's our file, and we just click Save. We don't need to rename it even, because it's going to save it as an SHW file, where your designs are saved as a DSG file. That's why you didn't see any designs in there. So here we go. Here's our kitchen, and now we need to go and open Showroom. Now we've got our file open. And we've got Showroom. It opens up with your file. So here we go. Here's our showroom demo. We just double click on that, and we let it start loading the design, and we eventually let it finish loading the design. Okay, so here we go. We've got our design open in Showroom Standard. From here, of course, you have all of the controls that you have in 3D in ProKitchen. And you can use your mouse controls as well. And this works in ProKitchen as well. Right now I'm holding down my left mouse button and moving my mouse. I'm sorry, I'm holding down my right mouse button. If I hold down my left mouse button, I can move the design around the page. Makes it quick and easy for the customer to use and the designer to use. From here you got zoom in, zoom out. We can go into things and change countertops, change floor styles. We can change wall styles, hide invisible walls, and we can change our lighting. And we'll do that in a minute, but first we want to take a look at changing our door styles. Changing door styles is really easy for the customer. They just come over here and they click on the red select button. And here you get to choose your door style. So we've got square in there now, so we'll start with an arch door style. Okay, and we'll just pick door style number 1. Let it refresh. And here we have arch door style number 1. We can change our lower door style. We can change it, doesn't mean you can say it. And again, you just click to select. And I think we will do a mitered square raised panel, just because. And we'll just pick the first one here. I'll let you guys go through and play with all the other door styles available. And same thing, we can come through and select our drawer, and we'll just grab miter drawer number 1, and we're going to have all kinds of wild things going on here with rope in our drawers and mitered lower doors and cathedral upper doors. You may want to talk your customer out of that. I just picked a cherry finish color. We can go in and change glazing if we want, light glazing or dark glazing. And I chose light glazing, finish technique. If we clicked on that, it would give us a bunch of finish techniques that are available, and of course knobs. And we'll just pick bar knob number 4. No idea what it looks like to find out. And here we go. Now they could come in and put all sorts of hideous colors in here, do all sorts of wild changes, and when they're done, if they decide they don't like what they've chose, they can come in and click on Restore Original Settings, and it will change it back to the way it started. And here we are with our original settings. Now that we've taken a look at this one, we will go and take a look at Showroom Light and see what the difference between the Showroom Standard and Showroom Light is. So let's go open Showroom Light. Okay, we've got our Showroom Light open. We'll open our Showroom Demo. Okay, and here we have it. And it looks like we have a little bit too much light going on. So we'll turn the light down. We've got the light controls right there. We'll turn that guy down to somewhere in here. A little bit better. And again, you have the full control to spin, rotate. Again, you can use your mouse controls, or you can use the controls located over here. Spin like a wild man. Okay, maybe not quite like a wild man. Okay, and so the big difference between Showroom Standard and Showroom Light is with Light, there's not a big box over here of things that you can change. You cannot change your wall colors, your flooring, your countertops, your cabinets. What you send the customer is what they see. All they can do is rotate, spin, look at it.